animal puzzle. Let's solve the puzzle together. To reveal and watch the video animal behind it. Okay, now we begin. First we move this one. Yes, that's right. Next we move this one. No. Yeah, that's right. Okay, now we move this one. No. No. Yes, that's right. Next we move this one. No. Yeah, that's right. Okay, next we move this one. No. Yes, that's great. Okay, next we move this one. No. Yes, that's right. Now we move this one. No. No. Yeah, that's right. Okay, now let's move this one. No. No. Yes, that's right. Now, let's move this one. No. Yeah, that's great. Okay, now let's move this one. No. Yes, that's right. Okay, now we move this one. Yes, that's right. Now, we move this one. No. No. Yes, that's right. Next, we move this one. No. Yes, that's great. Now, we move this one. No. Yes, that's right. Now, let's move this one. No. Yes, that's right. Okay, now we move the last piece. Yes, that's awesome. Yes, it's a puppy. A couple cute puppies. Now let's see the puppies video. Thank you for playing with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now you can choose another game to play with. See you in the next game.